Yeah, Simpla, from Zim to the world. Listen. Born in the struggle, raised in the dust. Mama said pray when life get tough. No silver spoon, just dreams in my hand. Young Zimbabwean tryna be a man. From Barra streets to Durban night, chasing my future, chasing my rights. They see my passport, judge my name, but deep in my heart I carry the flame.
I fall but I rise again. They make us stronger, man. I carry one and hope they down. Now I stand, I understand.
I'm a Zimbabwean youth, I don't give up. Even when the road get rough, from the ghetto to the top, I'll never stop. Zimbabwean youth, that's who I be. Africa running inside of me. Hakuna nandimisa, I'm chasing destiny. Chasing destiny. Chasing destiny. They never see the tears at night. When I miss my home, I hold on tight. Little brother say don't lose hope, so I turn my pain into music notes. Working hard, sending money back. Mama smiling and that's a fact. Life abroad, but my heart stays true. Red, gold, green, I broke.
Sometimes I feel alone, but I know I'm not on my own.